That should be enough. Hey, are you waking up now? I just want to go ahead and check some things on you real quick. I don't know if you remembered, but you'd kind of agreed to spend eternity with me. Do you remember? No. I mean, someone agreed. Let me just go ahead and just take a look, 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 take a look. Alright. Looks like your pupils are not responding. Perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Go ahead and follow the light for me really quickly. Oop, a little too bright, huh? I know you're adjusting with those new eyes of yours. Yeah, it can be a little hard seeing so clearly. Okay. Now, question. Would you like to try this delicious homemade cookie? You're not having any cravings for food? It doesn't smell appetizing to you? Perfect. You know, eventually as time passes on and you're, trying to fit into society, you'll get used to having a little nibble here and there, so yeah, but I guess not yet, huh? Okay, now let me go ahead and just Ooh. Oh, so sorry, so sorry. I just had to make sure that holy water worked on you. Yeah, I like to keep a little bit around me just in case any enemies come by or, fledglings like yourself get a little upset because for some reason they forgot that they agreed to spend their life with me. So I just like to stay prepared. Actually, I know we did just finish up the transition, so things did get a little messy, unfortunately, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just quite a few bites I had to get in there. You would think after doing this for 200 years that I would have adjusted by now. But you live and you learn, I guess. Now, let's just go ahead and take a look, and see if you can see your reflection. Now, don't be shocked. I know that, you can be a little vain sometimes. No reflection there. Perfect. Now, this one is going to be the big deal, okay? I'm going to have to do this, and I don't want you to take it personally. I don't want you to assume that I'm punishing you. Don't worry, calm down. But this is just something that I have to do to all fledglings. Just to absolutely confirm that the change did successfully happen and you didn't turn into like a chimera or anything. Because sometimes there are glitches, unfortunately. And when they are, sometimes I have to put you down. So I'm just going to go ahead and see what this does for you. Don't panic, don't panic. I'm just going to go ahead and place that right there on your chest. Oh, gosh. Oh, get the cross on there too. Oh, that's bad. Good for me, but bad for you. Oh, wow. Get it in there. This is also so you know what happens if you turn on me. Okay. Oh, get that away from me. Matter of fact, just do one last check. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry. I just have to make sure that you're on my side, you know? Okay, so now, because this is a really big change, and I know sometimes it can be a little bit overwhelming, I just want to go ahead and just cleanse your energy just a little bit. This is something that I picked up about 95, maybe 100 or so years ago, and it's definitely something that I've kept up with. So first we're just gonna start with a base cleanse, just with fire, alchemize that pain. You are absolute power now. You're able to do anything that you desire. You can run like the wind. Not yet. Don't get up. There are silver chains at your feet. You can run like the wind. You can jump so high it's almost as if you could practically fly. You can hear what anyone is talking about even miles away because your hearing is just magnificent, okay? You don't have to worry about dieting. You don't have to worry about scarcity or hunger. You have all the time in the world to be full of riches, to be full of fame if you'd like. Probably not a good idea though, because someone might recognize you. But the point is that you have so much to look forward to now with me. And I get that, you know, I may have glamored you into accepting this choice, but that doesn't mean that it wasn't a good one. It's a great one. You have all of eternity to spend with me. Isn't that amazing? It's fascinating, really. I'm jealous of you. So I just use this beautiful, beautiful tree. You're free now. You don't have to go to family reunions or check in with anyone, because you can just disappear and live a life of freedom. You can bite whoever you want. Though I would steer clear away from children. You know, as old as I am, I still can't get behind the whole child biting thing. It's just a little overkill, don't you think? There's so many adults out there in the world that one can bite. It seems a little desperate and weird. So, you know, you can bite whichever adults out there you want. You can bite animals. You can fight a lion if you wanted to. One gorilla versus 100 men? How about one gorilla versus you? And I think I know who would win. You may need a little more practice though, but that's neither here nor there, okay? So yes, enjoy the bite. Embrace the bite. Embrace the life that you have now. In about 50 years or so, I probably will disappear and find a new fledgling, but for the little time that we have, let's enjoy this. Let's have a blast. I think I heard a few people walking down the street from the bar, and I know you're pretty hungry, aren't you? Yeah, I thought so. Let's go.